Who wouldn't want to win the lottery, am I right? Does the thought of an effortless windfall of money coming your way appeal to you? Then you're in the right place. In this video, you're going to learn how to manifest winning lottery. Before starting, I want you to know some important points about manifesting winning lottery. It's very important, so watch till the end, or else you won't manifest lottery win. So let's begin. You are the creator of your reality. Every time, all situations are created by you. Without exception, there is nothing extraneous. If it seems that way, you've simply created sloppily, without paying attention. Forget about odds. If you're thinking, there are hundreds of thousands of people playing the same lottery, but it doesn't matter, I'm gonna manifest the odds in my favor. Stop. You have no business with odds. Once you know what you want, imagine it done, it is done. Upping the odds is not your business. Creating your reality is. Know you winning the lottery is done. It really is. We live in a multiverse, as in, there are multiple universes. In more than a few of them, you have already won the lottery. You're going to need to tune into that. How? Feel it already done. This is how the law of attraction works. You have a desire. Using your imagination, you see it as done, so it becomes done. The law works to fill in the vacuum you've created, in this case, in your bank account, to restore balance. Pure desire, unhindered by doubts, fears, or logic, will always yield that which is desired. Every time. So you need to set your fears aside and have that divine nonchalance, because you know it's a done deal. You need to set aside logic, because the power that you are and the power that you operate are far above and beyond the confines of regular human thought. Before you can manifest winning lottery numbers, you're going to have to do a little honest check with yourself. Are you comfortable with that amount of money suddenly showing up in your reality? Everyone wants to win the lottery, but not everyone truly believes they can hit the jackpot and get millions. Are you comfortable with being a millionaire? Be honest. If that 6 zeros is too high, adjust it to something you're comfortable with. Try double of the highest amount you've ever received. Your subconscious mind won't find that too much of a stretch. Are you ready for the implications of having that kind of money? You might need to get someone to manage your accounts. There's taxes. There might be sudden obligations from family and friends who beg for favors now that you're rolling in money. Are you ready for that? Can you find a way to be comfortable with it? Do you harbor secret doubts about your ability to win? Do you have hidden beliefs like nothing good ever happens to me? You're going to have to choose a different belief if you want to manifest winning lottery numbers, because otherwise it's all moot. Now I will give you exercise to manifest a winning lottery. Once you finish doing the exercises suggested, you need to act like you don't really care about the outcome. You should believe that it's already done and not think about it anymore, except for the fact that it's already done. Walk about feeling like $1 million. Talk, speak, act like you do. You might not necessarily talk about the money itself, but I'm talking about your attitude. Notice how some people can be dressed so plainly, yet they exude wealth, and how others can dress in the most expensive designers, and yet not exude wealth. The difference is in attitude. So here's how to win the lottery. Step 1. Create a scene implying it's already done. To begin this manifestation exercise, it is important to create a scene that implies your desire has already been fulfilled. This scene should be a short, vivid, and clear image in your mind that depicts your wish as already accomplished. For example, you could imagine yourself holding a giant check with your name on it, surrounded by people cheering and congratulating you. Or you could imagine yourself celebrating with your family and friends, feeling the joy and excitement of having won the lottery. It is important to create a scene that feels natural and believable to you. You want to be able to immerse yourself in the scene and feel as though it has already happened. Step 2. Get comfy. Once you have created your scene, it is time to get comfortable and relaxed. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit or lie down without being disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, focusing on relaxing your body and mind. You want to be in a state of deep relaxation, but not so relaxed that you fall asleep. One way to stay on the edge of sleep is to hold up a hand or a finger. If your hand or finger drops, it is a sign that you are falling asleep and need to refocus. Step 3. Repeat your scene in imagination. Now that you are in a relaxed state, it is time to start visualizing your scene. Repeat the scene in your mind over and over again. You can make small adjustments and changes to the scene as you go along, but keep it short and simple. It is important to use your imagination to make the scene as vivid and real as possible. You can use all of your senses to create a complete picture of the scene. Imagine the colors, smells, sounds, and feelings associated with the scene. For example, if you are visualizing yourself holding a giant check with your name on it, imagine the weight of the check in your hand, the smell of the ink, the sound of the people cheering, and the feeling of excitement and joy in your body. The more you repeat the scene in your mind, the more it will feel like a reality. The goal is to make the future now, as it is always now. Step 4. Infuse feeling. Infusing your visualization with emotion is one of the most important steps in this exercise. Emotions are a powerful force that can help to attract your desires into reality. As you visualize your scene, allow yourself to feel the emotions that come with having your desire fulfilled. If you are visualizing winning the lottery, imagine how it would feel to have all that money. You may feel elated, grateful, and excited. Imagine what you would do with the money, how it would change your life, and the positive impact it could have on others. Use your imagination to create a vivid and emotional experience. Step 5. Feel thankful. After you have repeated your scene and infused it with emotion, take a moment to feel grateful and appreciative. Silently repeat the words "thank you" to yourself, expressing your gratitude for the good things that are coming your way. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can help to attract even more positive experiences into your life. By expressing gratitude for what you have already received, you are opening yourself up to even more abundance and blessings. Step 6. Let it go. The final step in this exercise is to let go of the outcome and trust that the universe will bring you what you desire in the best way possible. This is the state of detachment. It is important to avoid any thoughts of doubt or worry, as they can block the manifestation process. Instead, focus on trust and faith that your desires are on their way. One way to let go is to imagine yourself releasing a balloon into the sky, with your desire written on it. As the balloon floats away, let go of any attachment or need for your desire to manifest in a specific way or time frame. Trust that the universe knows what is best for you and that everything is happening in perfect timing. The more you can release control and surrender to the process, the easier it will be for your desires to manifest. Now, here's a cool thing I have not mentioned before. When you do your imagining in this sleepy, drowsy state, if you fall asleep feeling your desire is done, you might find yourself in a dream where what you had envisioned is what you are dreaming about. If that doesn't happen, it doesn't mean your exercise in imagination didn't work. It's just a cool thing that has happened to me more than a few times. Enjoy your winnings. If you enjoyed the content and found it valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.